Hello friends, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. So today we explore a wrist strengthening exercise that I learned in my yoga teacher training called Gorilla Fists. Now I have to give a big shout out to Asia Nelson for teaching me this one. All right, let's get started. Coming on down to our hands and knees, stacking the wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hip points. Let's just spread our fingers nice and wide, pressing on into the fingertips to really feel that connection to the earth. Okay, so let's make a fist with our right hand, but when we do, we're really going to curl our thumb in. Plant your fist, your right fist on the earth, and then roll on over to the top of your right hand. When you do this action, your right elbow here will bend. Allow that to happen. So while we're here, we're going to do our best to keep our right thumb curled in, and we're kind of like almost curling our whole hand in towards our forearm here. All right, and just keep on breathing, especially if this is a new action for you. This can feel pretty intense. Okay, so we're gonna dig in a little bit deeper. We're gonna try to straighten through our right arm here while we're still maintaining that connection to the earth. So the top of our right hand is still connected to the earth. Now the elbow may not, or arm may not straighten too much, and that's okay. It's a very subtle action. So we're still trying to keep our right thumb curled in here as best as possible and keep on breathing. We're here for 3, 2, and then on the 1, loosen that grip, and then find this rocking motion back and forth on the top of your right hand, straightening through your right arm. Beautiful. Shake it off. You're doing a great job. So now let's plant our right hand on the earth, and now we're going to make a fist with our left hand. So curling our left thumb in, planting our fist down, and then rolling on over to the top of our left hand, allowing our elbow to bend here, maintaining that connection to the earth. Breathe here. Wonderful, and now we're going to do our best to straighten through our left arm while still keeping our left thumb curled in, the top of our left hand connected to the earth as best as possible. Remember, this is a very subtle action, but there's a lot of work going on. You can probably feel it. All right, we are here for 3, 2, and on the 1, relax. Loosen that grip. Find that rocking action forward and back on the top of your left hand. And then shake it off. Come back to sit on your heels. We're just gonna talk to the hand for a moment. So palms facing away from our body. And then shake it off again. Okay, so I definitely recommend returning to this video often, especially if you're looking to strengthen your wrists. This is a really great exercise for doing that. A lot of postures in yoga are weight-bearing, meaning that we're on our hands and knees, such as tabletop position, cat-cow, downward facing dog, a lot of the big popular ones. So if you find that maybe it's a little bit tricky to stay in those postures for a long period of time because the wrists start to talk to you, return to this exercise, and maybe you're going to notice a little bit of a difference in terms of how long you can stay in those postures with more ease. Anyways, thank you so very much for joining me here today. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.